Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In this video, I will be going over how to prepare a tax return for an immigrant or emigrant. Please be aware that if you are departing Canada, you must complete a paper return and mail it to your tax office. However, if you are a new immigrant, you can electronically file your tax return. To proceed, navigate to the Identification section and select Personal Information. Scroll down until you find the question, "Did you immigrate or emigrate to Canada in 2022?" Choose the appropriate option based on your situation and enter the date you entered or left Canada in the field that appears. Depending on the option you have selected, you will be required to complete specific sections of the tax return. However, there is one common section for both options. Regardless of whether you are an immigrant or emigrant, you will need to fill out the Information Related to Immigrants/Emigrants page. To access this page, go to the Deductions section and click on Other Tax Info, then select Information Related to Immigrants and Emigrants. On this page, you will need to enter the amount of foreign and Canadian-sourced income in their respective fields. Let's now talk about the respective sections you must complete if you are a new immigrant to Canada. If you have children under the age of 19, you will want to fill out and mail a Child Tax Benefit Application (RC66) form to your tax office in order to receive Canada Child Benefits. You can also alternatively apply for the benefit through your CRA My account. Click the link in the description to get more information on the Canada Child Benefit. If you are a new immigrant, it is essential to complete the mandatory section pertaining to the GST/HST and Climate Action Incentive Payment. To access this page, navigate to the Review and File section and then proceed to the Other Information section, and then select GST Application for New Immigrants. On this page, fill out each field before proceeding with the remaining sections of your tax return as usual. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.